Ever feel overwhelmed by a million different project management tools? Like you need a separate app for tasks, docs, spreadsheets, and who knows what else? Well, ClickUp promises to be your one-stop shop, wrangling all those features into a single, unified platform. But with a name like ClickUp, it begs the question, is this productivity powerhouse actually American-made? Let's take a deep dive into ClickUp's origins and global reach, because where a company is headquartered can impact things like data privacy and customer support. Knowing this can be a deciding factor when you're trusting them with your team's crucial projects. From humble beginnings to global ambition, ClickUp's story starts in 2017, the brainchild of Zeb Evans and Alex Yurkowski. They weren't satisfied with the existing project management options, so they decided to build their own, initially just for internal use. But word spread, and soon they realized ClickUp's potential to be a game-changer for teams everywhere. Fast forward to today, ClickUp boasts over 2 million teams using their platform. That's a massive user base, and it's only grown alongside ClickUp's global ambitions. So where's ClickUp calling home? Alright, enough with the suspense. ClickUp's headquarters are firmly planted in San Diego, California, USA. That means they answer to American regulations and data privacy laws. For some users, that might be a key consideration. Beyond borders, ClickUp's global expansion. But ClickUp isn't just an American success story. They've recognized the need to serve a global audience. In 2021, they expanded to Europe with an office in Dublin, and that same year they set up their Asia-Pacific headquarters in Sydney. This global presence allows ClickUp to offer localized support and cater to the needs of international teams. The ClickUp advantage, a multicultural mix. While the headquarters might be in the US, ClickUp's team is a multicultural mix. They boast employees from all over the world, bringing diverse perspectives and experiences to the table. This can be a huge advantage in understanding the needs of a global user base. The flip side of the coin, data privacy concerns. Now let's address the elephant in the room, data privacy. With a US headquarters, ClickUp falls under US data privacy laws. These might be less stringent than regulations in other countries, which could be a concern for some users. If data privacy is a top priority for you and your team, it's worth researching ClickUp's specific data security practices and comparing them to the regulations in your region. ClickUp should be transparent about where they store your data and how they safeguard it. ClickUp, American-made, globally focused. So, to answer our original question, yes, ClickUp is a US company. But that doesn't mean they're just catering to an American audience. Their global presence and commitment to a diverse workforce show a clear focus on building a product that works for everyone, regardless of location. Choosing the right tool for you. Ultimately, whether ClickUp is the right fit for you depends on your specific needs and priorities. While their US headquarters might be a factor, it shouldn't be the only one. Consider your data privacy concerns, team location, and feature set before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.